What's in? What's up?
What's in? What's up? What's in? What's up? What's in? What's up? What's in? What's up?
Hi there guys, this is Gary and welcome to my YouTube channel, What's in? What's up? So what's in and what's up for today? We're going to unbox an Xtuga Xcm012 dual wireless lavalier microphone. I bought this from Lazada during their 11/11 sale and I bought this for 2,009 pesos plus of course the shipping fee. But the original price for this would cost you around 3,000 pesos plus the shipping fee. I bought this microphone because, as you can see, I've been using this dynamic microphone, wireless microphone, for over 10 months already with my sound card, V8 sound card. It's always blocking my face. With this new microphone, the lapel microphone, I can just hang it here. And with other reviews I've watched here in YouTube, they sound good. So I was interested to buy one for me, and this was delivered for after 12 days. So it took 12 days. It was on time, but this was slower than my other items that I bought from Lazada during the 11/11 sale. I'm going to show it to you. It's in a box, of course, because it's an electronic item. They didn't wrap it at all with a bubble wrap. They just put it in the plastic envelope. This was shipped from China. This is it. What are we waiting for? Let's unbox it. Before we unbox or after receiving a package or a delivery from anywhere, we should disinfect it. Of course, ayaw nating mahawa kung ano mang merong virus, and of course that is to prevent the spreading of the virus. Dapat ugaliin na nating isprayin ang ating mga packages na ino-order. I think it was mishandled because as you can see here, may butas siya dito nung dineliver. So I don't know if this is accidentally na nangyari or they really punctured it, kasi when I was still working abroad, they really punctured our boxes, no, yung mga balikbayan boxes namin, kasi may nilalagay silang device probably to see if there are drugs or anything inside that is prohibited. Mayan. So kayong mag-decide kung this was accidentally punctured or they did it. Let's open it. Bear with me. So ito po yung ating Xtuga Xcm. So I'll just throw that plastic on the floor for now. Nakatape siya. So let's see if I'm going to do unboxing. Tapos ito yung gamit kong microphone, itong dynamic microphone na to. Ayan, it's blocking my way. 'Di ba? Pati yung mukha ko natatakpan. Kaya binili ko tong wireless microphone na to. And this will be used para sa church sa amin kasi yung youth namin ay nag-i-interview ng mga tao sa street. So for documentation, kaya pwede nilang gamitin to, pwede kong maipahiram sa kanila. And this will help them a lot para ma-minimize yung tunog sa kalye. Kasi I've heard and I've read that this microphone has a noise reduction, not noise cancelling, but noise reduction. Let's open it. Ayan na. Of course, it goes with the leaflets. Ayan. Ayan. Yep. Ayan po yung mga leaflets niya, which I think we don't really need those. And the warranty card in Chinese. Siyempre, hindi na rin natin kailangan yan. It would cost us a lot kung ipababalik pa natin ito sa China. Of course, it goes with the lapel microphone. Ayan. Kita niyo po. Lapel microphone. One. And the second one, because it's a dual, it has two transmitters. Makakabili rin kayo ng item na to na only one transmitter, which will cost you about 1,800 siguro. But if you're going to wait for a sale, it would cost you around 1,500, something like that. So this one, itong nabili ko ay dual. So it has 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. So ayan, dalawa yung lapel microphone niya, of course. Tapos, it goes with connectors. Ang connectors na ito ay dalawa rin. If your cameras, DSL cameras, may microphone input, so you can use this. Meron siyang TRS from the transmitter, from the receiver tong TRS to your DSLR cameras. Ito naman is from mobile phones. So lahat ng mobile phones with TRRS, yun yung tatlo yung kanyang, ayan, tatlo yung ring niya doon. So that is with 3 rings. Yan naman ay para sa ating mga mobile phones. Of course, ito yung receiver. Ayan. Nakalagay, receiver. So ito yung receiver na may clip siya. So if you have the DSLR, you can just clip it on top. You can just clip it on top or anywhere on the side. At pwede nyo rin siyang, ayan, i-clip dito and then you put it on dun sa shoe, horseshoe ba yun na tinatawag. Then nakapatong na siyang ganyan sa ibabaw ng inyong DSLR camera. Tapos, of course, ito yung transmitter. 1. Tignan natin yung isa. Ang hirap kunin. And the second one. Ayan, baka sabihin nyo, binaba ko lang yung isa. Ayan. So, 2 transmitters at isang receiver. Lahat po ito ay mapapagana by using a AA batteries, no? Yan. Yan, kita niyo po. AA battery. So ganyan po lahat yung compartment niya. So if I were you, ako bumili na ako ng rechargeable batteries ko. I've read that the batteries will last for 8 hours. Kahit na nagre-record ka ng 8 hours ng audio or you are interviewing someone, 8 hours of AA batteries, it will last for 8 hours. Kaya napakagandang device or item nito. So ayan ang pinaglagyan niya. And then, of course, we have to test this, di ba? Siyempre, hindi naman po pwedeng hindi natin to i-test. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng audio sample recorded from this device. Let's do an audio testing for this item. Now, I'm broadcasting live gamit itong transmitter na. So, I'm using the lapel microphone. Ewan ko kung ano yung sound na nakakreate niya, if it's better than the quality of my dynamic microphone, wireless microphone. Ayun, pag switch on mo siya, ayan, may makikita kayong frequency at nandun din yung battery level niya. And kung nakakapag-communicate siya doon sa receiver, parang merong wireless indicator kung nakakapag-communicate siya doon sa receiver. Ito nakalagay 559.3 yung frequency hertz. Ayan. So that is the quality of the Xtuga Xcm012 dual wireless lavalier microphone. And then ang susunod nating testing is I will try to put this doon sa aking V8 sound card. Of course, magiging better yung sound niya, but let's see what is the difference. Let's test it.
Oh no!
Hindi siya po pwedeng gamitin doon sa ating V8 sound card kasi nga po yung kanyang jack ay hindi po naka-design para doon sa kanyang condenser microphone. Kakasya siya but then there will be no connection at all. So kanina sa testing, pinakinggan ko na siya. Medyo pumuputok-putok kasi nga syempre hawak ko yung microphone, yung mismong lapel, tapos nakatapat sa bibig ko. So usually, nilalakasan nila yung pick up and then yun nga, sinasabit nila rito para you don't need to scream, you don't need to shout. Mapipick up na niya yung audio. Yun, maganda naman yung tunog niya so far at nakakatuwa kasi anyway, I'm using Sony Vegas naman kapag nag-e-edit ako ng aking video. Kaya ma-adjust ko yung quality ng aking video. Kung kayo po ay maggagawa ng mga interviews, 'di ba, sa labas, napakaganda po nito kasi meron siyang 50 meters na distance. It can still communicate doon sa kanyang receiver kahit na 50 meters away. So, yun po yung maganda doon. So, kahit nasa malayo kayo, tapos nandun yung transmitter, nasa inyo yung transmitter, tapos 50 meters away itong inyong receiver, ay maganda pa rin yung quality ng voice. Of course, this will not replace yung mga mamahalin ngayon na wireless microphone para sa vlogging, ano? But this is good enough para sa ating mga small-time YouTuber or may mga projects, may mga small-time projects na gagawin para sa school, sa church, sa trabaho. I highly recommend this device para gumanda ang quality nung inyong interview. Hindi lang yung nanggagaling yung recorder nung voice doon sa inyong mobile phone na hindi talaga gaanong kagandahan. Kahit anong gawin nating pilit, hindi naman talaga gaanong kagandahan. But with this Xtuga Xcm012 dual microphone, lavalier microphone, talaga namang iba po ang quality kesa doon sa regular mobile phones lang. So yan po ang ating unboxing with Xtuga. So Xtuga, Bekenemen. Maraming salamat po and I will see you on my next vlog. This is Gary. What's in? What's up?